Bro, TikTok shop is the sauce. All you need to do is just instantly. I started making money.
That's too much beef. That's too much beef.
No. Like, it's insane. You can literally be anybody you want and sell anything, and it's just complete game changer.
Without filming, without having the product, without doing anything. I hate making it sound easy, but it's easy.
I've never gotten like 10K per mil before in my life. I'm getting 10 to 15K per mil.
We saw so many people doing like 25 or 30K per million. You basically convert 10 times more than on organic.
This is gonna take over everything. Yeah, you're literally going to be left behind.
How crazy is TikTok Shop affiliate?
That is what is going on right now. That's what's cooking. That's easy cash, stack cash, peas.
The AI stuff is so crazy on Shop. And I was like, for the last month, we were going all in on trying to figure out where AI is the most applicable. And we found two spots. Facebook ads is great. Organic is fine, but it's not insane. And Shop is ridiculous. Like, it's just actually crazy.
Like, even me, I did not realize how powerful the AI thing was until Pepe. I saw him. Pepe from your program was doing some insane shit. I was like, what's this guy doing? And then I tapped into it, and I also found my own thing that is not going to be mentioned at all until I just go insane. But like, all I can say is just it's around the AI thing, which might be given too much anyways, but we're not even overhyping it. Like, it's just, there is something here. There is something here.
There's not only something here. It's just ridiculous. Like, what I'm seeing right now is literally this. You can make full videos with AI. It takes around 20 to 30 minutes to make a full entire video. Then you post that without filming, without having the product, without doing anything. You just make a full on AI video. You upload it, and it's crazy. It's actually crazy how much is in there. Like, the conversions per million views are probably the most ridiculous thing we've ever seen in our life.
I've never gotten like 10K per mil before in my life. I'm getting 10 to 15K per mil.
We saw an average, if we do it right with a good product, with a good content, etc. We saw so many people doing like 25 or 30K per million views. For everybody who doesn't truly understand what that means, it's actually insane. Unheard of. You basically convert 10 times more than on organic, because 3K per million views is already not bad on organic. It's fine.
Yeah.
And here we see 30. This is like
average.
Yeah. It's insane. So obviously, a lot of people are thinking about like the commissions, and the commissions being lower than what you make with organic. Because in the end of the day, how Shop works is you get anywhere between 20 and 40% in commissions from the brand. And with organic, it's usually like 50% profit. So on paper, it seems that organic has way more profit than Shop. But in reality, it's ridiculous, because you get 1 million views, and then you have, let's say, 3K made. Half of that is 1.5K profit per million views.
Yeah.
Great. 1.5K profit. On Shop, you make like 10 to 15, which is out of this world. Like 30% of 30K is literally 10K profit per million views. I was seeing this a few times, and it's one of the first times, like last 12 months, I actually got that excited, because
I've never seen you so excited in such a long time.
No, the last time you saw me so excited is when I saw the whole AI thing, and we were sitting in Cyprus. I was going crazy about AI being the shit, and now I see where it is the shit. Like, before that, I was trying to figure out, okay, I knew there is something with AI. What I don't know is what's the best way to apply it in dropshipping. And I feel like we actually figured it out, because this is just like too easy.
The thing is like most people's issues in terms of marketing, and also TikTok Shop as well, is if you don't look a certain way, you can't reach a certain audience at all, because you just can't relate to them. If you're trying to sell like product for old people and you don't look like an old woman, she's not going to want to buy from you because she doesn't trust you. Like, I can't sell products to like Margaret from somewhere, you know? Now you could literally make somebody, like, it's insane. You can literally be anybody you want and sell anything, and it's just complete game changer. This is going to take over everything for the next, I don't know how many years. Like
100%. And I see a very clear path of how to scale this as well, because I'm sure a lot of people are instantly going to think, okay, this doesn't feel like my business. I'm working for this brand, whatever. Okay. Here's the timeline I see people going through in the next 6 months. You start as an affiliate, you learn all the AI stuff, and instantly you make a bunch of money with the commissions. It's so much easier to get to like 5 to 10K profit a month with affiliate. It's I hate making it sound easy, but it's easy because you can use AI to do shit for you. Like until now, I was never the guy who, like, I was always saying how hard shit is. You just make AI videos, like you don't do things anymore. It's just editing the AI clips. You learn how to do that properly. Then you go to the next thing, which is, okay, you have that. Now you open up your own shop and then you have other creators do that for you. And then you can also transition to Facebook ads, because we've seen that shop videos are extremely good on Facebook as well. So we did this. We uploaded shop videos onto Facebook, and on Facebook, they do really well. With organic, there was a factor of conversion virality. There was like a miss because you know
the concept of organic is like you kind of need to go viral first and then convert, but like shop videos get views based off of sales. So the more they sell, the better they do. So it makes sense how it would translate directly to Facebook.
This is a concept which maybe most people like will not understand right now. What you just said is organic, you go viral because your content is really good. But shop is like, it's owned by TikTok. It's TikTok shop. So you get views based on money made on TikTok shop, because they see, okay, the better this video converts, the more views we will give them. So we have more sales in the shop. So it's very smart what they did. All of a sudden, the whole system is conversion based and not virality based. And this is what's needed on Facebook. Like on Facebook, you only make money from super high converting videos and not from viral videos. It just makes sense that it like translates so well. The aspect of everything else, I feel like you just do content here and it's everything else is literally handled for you. Like with organic and with every dropshipping business here, you have to handle the supplier stuff, you handle the store, you maximize your average order value, all of that.
Oh yeah, true. So I made the mistake of even starting with shop before starting affiliate. And then like I made a little bit of money and it kind of was like, this is annoying because there's so much resistance starting your own shop because you don't have your listing, you don't have any reviews on it, you don't have any sales on it. Somebody looks at your listing, they don't trust it. But like if you're selling somebody else's brand, they already have like 10,000 orders already. They have a bunch of reviews, high quality reviews. So all you are doing is just saying, hey, look at this good product. Instead of it being your own product and you're like, hey, look at that. It might be good. Like the trust is already there. So all you need to do is just like convince people. It's a lot easier to convince people to buy with like affiliate versus like your own shop.
I'm going to put a screen recording right now of going through a purchase on shop, because some people will see this from other countries where shop is not available at all and they don't even understand what we're talking about properly. So you as a consumer, you scroll on TikTok and then you see like a little line, which is like a yellow button, and you press on that thing. And then what happens is there's a pop-up with the product. You can click to add to cart and you can use Apple Pay, double tap, and it's bought. That's it, which is so crazy. Like the conversion rate on that versus on Shopify, it's so obvious that it's so much higher. Plus, the shipping times are great because TikTok Shop is like, they want to do the Amazon strategy where they only allow brands to sell if the shipping is super fast. So people will trust it more. It's the same thing with Amazon. Like obviously, if you sell something on Amazon, the conversion rates are going to be higher just because people trust Amazon and people don't trust Shopify. No. Don't get me wrong. I'm not shit talking dropshipping here. It's the best business model ever because you can like start from scratch, no inventory needed, no nothing. But the conversion rates on Amazon are obviously higher than with anything else. The same thing applies on shop. You have the trust from TikTok. The buyer trusts TikTok, so they instantly trust you because it feels to them like they're buying on TikTok. They're buying from TikTok almost. On top of that, we have to talk about the comfort of doing AI videos. Like for people who do Facebook, they're not going to appreciate this. But as an organic guy, standing outside in the fucking sun, filming your little video is so much more. Yeah, you talk about it.
I don't even know that stress that I went through for the past, 2 years when I was starting organic. It's like, don't get me wrong, like sometimes it's fun to go out and like shoot guns and stuff, but it's not. It's like 10% of the time. The rest of the time, it's just like, you literally have to sit there, grind for hours, film toy videos, and it's just like every organic dropshipper that I've spoken to, they're always like, what the hell am I doing with my life? Like film, it's like there's a lot of like unnecessary, not unnecessary, but a lot of efforts that now, not that it doesn't need to be there, but it's like it's made 10 times easier. There are some things that maybe like if you wanted even to create some insane concept of something going to like the top of a mountain, you would need to walk 3 hours. But now you could just type something at the top of it. And even now the AI has gotten so good where you can even use your face and add a voice to your face. This was a new feature that they added like 3 days ago. So now you can make yourself say things and put yourself in places, and it's over. It's over. Like,
actually,
what clicked?
Yeah, that's the next point I wanted to get into. I don't know how long this thing is going to work because it seems to be too easy already. Like, it seems to be too easy. That's the most scary thing ever, because I always know when things are hard, I can outwork people. I have a massive team. I can get, like, nobody has that. It's so easy to make it work for me when it's hard. When it's easy, I don't even feel like I have an edge. You can just do it, and that's it.
Like, even the thing with like a personal brand, like, you know, Speed and Mr. Beast and all of these guys that have insane personalities. Some random kid from India can now make that.
It's ridiculous. It's
completely changing. There are a lot of things we need to switch up. If you're not doing AI, you're literally going to be left behind, and eventually we'll get to the point where it's like, now we have to do it. You'll be so far behind, the kids will know how to do it. It's like, it's a weird space, but it's exciting at the same time, because we are kind of back to a place where it's slightly easier to make money again. You just do 1 or 2 things, print easy cash, just lock in, make as much money as possible, and then just go and chill on a boat, fish, you know.
One thing which kind of almost falls away with Shop, which is crazy, is product research. In the program, we give you a brand with a product, and it's like, just test this, which we never did with organic, with our Facebook. You obviously have to go out and find your own product usually, but right now we just have deals where people in the program get better commissions from this brand, and it just, like, it's a good product already. It's pre-selected. I felt weird having calls with people, and it's like, just test this, and it's like,
it's already started.
Yeah.
Bro, also, what is it? You're telling me this about you people getting 40% commission. I'm chilling with 20%. Where is my these brands?
Bro, you didn't ask me. You didn't ask me for a friend.
The thing with Shop, it is still in early stages. There are a lot of brands. It's like the supply and demand thing. There's a lot of brands. There's not enough creators. So many brands are willing to give people so much in commission just to get, like, it's like they cut their losses so much because, like, they don't have a choice. So the space as an affiliate right now is just, like, ideal.
How we work this out is, if you go to a brand and you say, hey, I'm a creator, give me the deal, they give you the basic deal. But if I go to the brand and I say, we have hundreds of creators, give me the best deal for all of them, it's a bulk deal and everyone gets a better cut. So what I'm doing right now is we have a massive list with the top brands, and I'm basically going on calls with all of them, and we're figuring out where the best product is, where they can keep up with the stock, where the owners are actually legit, and where they're going to pay the creators the highest affiliates and the highest commissions. So this is what we're doing, and this is basically going to, like, be the product selection. What we've seen is that one good video concept can be replicated with AI so often right now. Like, it's also really crazy on, if you truly have the AI thing down, and it takes like a month or 2 to figure out how to make good AI content. If you truly try to figure it out, and we help you with that, it takes like 1 or 2 months to figure it out. You try that, and at the same time, the main thing you're gonna start seeing is that it's really easy to transfer knowledge from other products. Like, this supplement concept or video also will work on this one.
Yeah.
This one works here. And the space is kind of like clumped into one big thing, where if you have a few winning concepts, they're really easy to transfer. So we're making a database, like a collection of shit that works. And it's going to be ridiculous.
To be honest, when I was starting, I overcomplicated Shop because I was trying to bring, like, organic sauce into it, which it works for certain products. But, like, if you're doing, like, supplements and stuff, it's literally just, there are top videos right there. I was being annoying. I didn't want to copy. I just want to be, like, original. I want to try my own thing. But I just, when I decided, let me just copy what works, which has been my whole entire life thing. Instantly, I started making money. Yeah, I fully underestimated how all you need to do is just copy and it works. And it also applies to the AI videos that are working right now. That you just rip it word for word. Like, it's how it works.
Exactly. And then it works even better if nobody did it on your product yet, and you just basically take the concept from other niches.
So you would have an edge if you're coming into it, or you just had all the information. You just had all the top viral videos. You come into it, probably just going to print easy.
On top of that, with organic, you have to film, you have to edit, you have to come up with a concept. There's a lot of creativity, which is there. With Shop, it's different because you have ChatGPT, who does so much for you. with the concept. You have the AI videos, which basically do all of it, and you just do quick editing.
I don't make videos myself anymore. I don't make like this. I started this AI thing 2 weeks in. I've managed to get it fully outsourced. All I do is just make the scripts, and that can be outsourced as well.
Yes.
Bro, I've been filming organic for like 2 years by myself. It's like, is the word automatable, systemizable?
Yes.
It's like, it's insane. It's easy. Just tell them to do this, generate this with AI, put it together, just make like a short Loom tutorial.
Yeah.
It's just like easy cash, money,
easy
prints.
What we've been seeing is like, until now, for example, customer support is something which everyone was really easy to outsource. Like you just get a guy somewhere, he does the customer support. Easy. Doing, I don't know, videos for you was really tough because it's a high level skill. Now, AI stuff is kind of a low level skill if you know what you're doing, if you have the sauce. It's not that difficult. So it's like outsourcing customer support. And we have like a specific system on how to get like a team really fast. I already see what's going to happen over the next like month or so. I see how it's very realistic that you can post 200 videos per person per day, which is the most insane, absurd thing I've ever said in my life if I would listen to this like a year ago. But this is realistic right now. How we're changing up the program right now and how it's structured, you become an affiliate creator by joining the program, and we instantly refer you to the brands we already negotiated the deals with for you. So by joining the program, you instantly get higher commissions than not being in the program. On top of that, we only selected the brands which actually have products that are easy to work with. There's some products which are really tough and some products which are really easy. Now, obviously, I'm not going to just reveal this on YouTube, but in the program, what we do is we just hand the brand to you, and they only sell like 1 or 2 products. So it's like, okay, sell this product. The product research is gone. I just give you products, which is insane. And then on top of that, you have higher commissions and a bunch of one-on-one calls with us where we just look over your content, teach you all the AI strategy where you don't have to show your face and you just make AI content and actually do that like high volume with our strategy. And you start printing in a matter of a few months if you actually do it. Now, you're going to have to start posting by yourself 10 to 20 videos per day to start off with. And then if you do that, which is very doable, but it still takes work. Like, don't get me wrong. You're going to still hustle in the beginning. Like you're actually going to try and work long hours. But in the end of the day, the type of work is not that difficult. It's just like generating AI scripts and doing all of that. For you nodding, like you shaking your head is like, easy.
But no, the concept of like 10 organic videos would be impossible. But like me hearing this, I'm like, yeah, you can do it. It's possible.
Yeah. Exactly. And it's like for everybody who did organic, that sounds easy. For everybody who didn't do organic, that sounds high. Like 20 videos a day. What the fuck? That's insane. No, it's not. It's fine. It's fine. If you want to join, get all the sauce, how to make good AI content, get brands handed to you with high commissions, all of it. You can click the link below, sign up for a free consultation session, and we're going to figure out if it's a good fit.